got a Black Friday update on the depot. Yes, there's new deals just dropped. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos, so we can make so you guys will miss any of the Black Friday deals, any of the upcoming Christmas deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. To start here, we got a laser, not a laser level, but just a regular level. This is pretty inexpensive. 988 for a pack of two, 24 and a torpedo. Then 1488 for this pack of two tape measures, kind of like the Fat Max style. Really like those, very inexpensive. 1688 for the 20-ounce hammer, and then you get the wrecking bar, very inexpensive. Definitely check it out. You know, obviously good to have at the house. Yeah, they dropped some more deals here, and then some more newer tools like this one. This vacuum's actually, I never seen this vacuum before. So it's 119 3-gallon wet and dry vacuum NXT. According to what I see here, it is compatible with their modular storage system, so that may be something to be looking forward if you're going to already own or want to buy into or purchase into a modular storage system. It does come with a lot of accessories. You know, that plate there at the bottom so you guys can mount it. You got a 15-foot extension cord. So this is not battery powered. Just keep that in mind. This is just plug and play basically. And then you got the storage compartment there, and then the hose compartment and all the accessories there at the top. So pretty nice. And then you got the regular NXT vacuum, 16-gallon. Pretty much tanks, 59.98. Those are pretty good. $4.99 for this portable table saw. This is a 10-inch table saw. This is actually not bad. I haven't used one myself. I haven't heard nothing bad about these. Let us know in the comment, guys. Always let us know in the comment section if there's any bad tools or any tools that you have, you know, so you can help somebody else buying. Guys, we got these on sale. Actually, they're cheaper online. I don't know if you guys be able to get this at the store. You can probably show them the screenshot or, you know, take it yourself. But yeah, online they're $2.19. The ad doesn't add up at the store, but here this one's actually cheaper at the store. So this is cheaper here. So make sure you guys take a screenshot of this video and show it to the store if you don't see it at your store. But yeah, it comes down to around 130 bucks. Yeah, actually 140 bucks, 140, 50 bucks around there. So pretty good deal on this one. This one's, like I said, this one is compatible with that vacuum that we just saw on the other side. And then this is pretty much like a budget, like a Goldilocks type of, you know, deal here. So you get the best from the Pro, and you know, you get the price from the budget line there basically, and pretty good if you can't afford the pack out. You got $47.97 pack of two 10-inch or 42, or you get the $54.97 for the 12-inch miter saw blades. And then you got your choice here, $12.88. This is actually a pretty good deal. Like I said, I always stock up on these. When you guys come up on these sales, these Black Friday sales, make sure you guys stock up on these for the whole year, because especially if you're in the trades, you know, this is what you use. This is your materials. Make sure you stock up on those, because you're gonna end up spending more money on the long run, if you know, once you run out of them. Something to stock up on is definitely these. This is $99 with the free 2-amp-hour battery. Yeah, this is definitely, if you guys hack that, that's gonna be a really good deal on that one. It's probably like 70 or 60 bucks. This one's $149. Get a free 4-amp-hour battery. Same thing with this one. You're gonna get at least 40, 50 bucks off of that one. And same thing with these guys. These are brand new. Actually, I never, not brand new, but they're newer to the depot. So yeah, these are the 40 volts Max XGT. I do have these tools. They are a beast. They are really nice to use. I have that impact driver and the drill. I don't have the chainsaw or the blower. But yeah, that is the price. If you guys do the hack, that kit's gonna drop down to $433 if you guys return that battery. But that's basically the overall pricing online. I did that online, by the way. So I don't know if the store's going to be a little different, but yeah, that's pretty much what it's going to look like. Then you got the rear handle. This is the 18 bolts times 2, which is 36 bolts. You can get this with the hack as well. I will be putting the post right here just in a bit, but I do have the saw. This thing's a beast. I've seen people use this professionally. All right, so here's a hack for this one. It's going to go down to 154 with two 5 amp hour batteries. And the 5 amp hour batteries are going to be priced at 144. So definitely worth the hack, guys. Even just for the batteries, that's a killer deal. For 154, definitely jump on that one, guys. That's a really good deal on that one. Yeah, so no matter what the line you're looking for, there's always going to be some sort of hack or some sort of way so you guys could get it cheaper, like these brands or other brands. All right, so 79.97, 18-piece ratcheting ring set. And guys, always remember, I do have tons of videos on my channels. I do have just about every brand. Talking about another brand, this is a good brand. So $99 for the power stack battery, $99 for a drill driver, $149 for the drill driver or impact driver. You got impact driver by itself with for $99. This is actually a pretty dang good deal, guys. Especially at $149, it's gonna get you two tools. I'm not talking about another good deal. All right, so $99 your choice here. You got the what is that? The 1/4-inch impact driver, and then you got the 3-inch compact cutoff tool and M12 radial. So $99 for those, and then to the left, you do have the hacks. So you guys are able to get the buy one get one free. $249 will get you a ratchet, impact driver, 2 battery charger in a case. $199 will get you impact driver, drill driver, a big battery and a small battery, and that's going to be the heck price for that one. So down to $142. Those are brand new tools, just released about this year, I believe. These are Gen 3s, and that high output battery. All right, so and these are completely new to me. This is the first time I see them because somebody posted on my last video. I did the Black Friday deals, and hey, are you gonna put out the M12 deals? I'm like, what? I did not see them at the store at the time. So we did see them as of now. And then you got these for $149. So you got the high output batteries, the 5 amp hour, 2 amp hour, 2.5 amp hour. You got a pruning saw, and then you got oscillating tool with the battery for $149. Your choice, any of those. So not too bad, not too bad. And then you got these 15-piece red helix. So these are the upper tier, $19.97. Actually, that's not bad for titanium. You got the oscillating blades, nice oscillating blade set there, case with the 8-piece for $39.88. Not too bad. You guys know those are really expensive. Yeah, guys, I can't stress this enough. This is a really good deal. Get one, get two. This is 25 piece. You're basically paying $20 just for getting the 25 piece for free. Basically, that's on that one. And then there's this one, just something to look out. On this one, they do have the 120 volt and the 12 volt for the car. So if you need the one for make sure you guys look at the case. It does say right there the big. It says for 1 outlet, and the other one says 12 volts. So, and it is digital. It is self-stopping. So you put it automatic. Like if you put the 32 psi, it'll stop at that price or that that psi. Another one that I did not see a price on. It's $79. It's at the gift center. The 3/8 by 50 enclosed hybrid air hose. This is actually not bad. If you have a shop at the house, the garage, the hose is just terrible to put back. Well, the hose reel is gonna solve that problem. It'll be nice and clean. And then you got the hex key sets. So there's different ones. This is a 26-piece long arm, and then you got I personally prefer these. These are much cleaner, much nicer. I lose the other ones all the time. So these are the star bits, and then you got some hex. My guess is gonna be metric and standard. Yep, that's pretty much what they are. Now you got $3.99. I'm just still waiting for them to drop the buy one get one free on this one. So make sure you hold off on that one. Because sometimes they do sell, they do make that one buy one get one free, and sometimes we're able to hack it. I did have a comment on my last video about this tote. I don't know if you were referring about this one, but there's no Velcro on the top. The only Velcro I saw is on the side, on this pocket. If you guys do see that Velcro on the pocket, there's a zipper here on this one side. But other than that, on the top, I did not see some sort of a cover or anything for it. There's a small bag on the inside, and there's another small bag here on the outside. The bottom is pretty much hard material, but other than that, it's pretty nice for what it is. But it does not have a cover like you you said on the comments. All right, so 1488 14-piece magnetic screwdriver sets. I personally do recommend these. This is a really good deal on this one. You got some nice rubber grips. You got some stubbies there to the left at the bottom. And then to the right, you got some precision screwdrivers. So they're hard to see, but they are in there. There's a couple of them. All right, you got this Craig jig style. So this is a guide for your circular saws. And it's a pretty nice guide. And then on the left, you got the pocket hole jig there. So it does have a nice angle there, so you guys could choose different options. So for you guys woodworking. All right, so we got $49.88 for the Impact 280 piece. It's a pretty nice set if you're in the pack out. If you're not, then it's actually a pretty good deal too, because you're gonna end up putting everything in here, not losing them. You get a lot of bits on this one. So lots of bits coming, and lots of bits, adapters and all that stuff in there. For a great price. You got $79 for the heavy duty Sherpa vest, either black or brown. You got some hats here for $19.97, $16.97 for the beanie. They do come in black and gray. The black is on the other side. I'll show you guys in a second. But this is the vest. It is the brown vest. I personally do not like these. It's just not my style, but a lot of you do like them, especially if you're in the colder climates. All right, so for buy one get one free. So this is $69.97 for the 600 lumen headlamp, $59.97 for the clear visor, $59.97 for the shield, and then you got the earmuffs there, and the sunshade. So all those will get you a hard hat, basically. So that's pretty nice. So I'll keep your safety up and make sure you guys stock up on these, especially if you use them a lot. If you do like them, especially these lamps. Yeah, definitely recommend these lamps. Not this one specifically, but use a headlamp. I've used a lot of headlamps, LED lamps, and rechargeable. Go rechargeable. Always go rechargeable, because you don't want to spend money on those batteries. You're already spending money on the on the payment there. So $19.97 for the performance gloves or glasses. You save $15 if you buy two. Then $8.57 for the ones on the right. And then we got the hoodies, black and gray, $54.97, and then you got the other side, the hats and the beanies for the black side. All right, you got the hoodies there at the bottom, black and gray, and then new deals dropped. This is new to a lot of people, including me. So you got a 22-ounce face framing hammer. You got 225-foot magnetic tape measures. You got a 2-pack of rafter square, 7 and 4.5. You got a 2-pack of fastback. Definitely the fastbacks, guys. That's stock up on those babies, because those are one of the best ones out there. These are not gonna sell out, guys. On the past, I've been wanting to get a set of this like around, Black Friday or December. They're already sold out. So make sure you guys jump on it, get your cart, put your boots on, go to the depot and stock up on these, because they will sell out. And especially if you're gonna be doing you're in the trades, I can't stress that enough. Just stock up. All right, so that's what it looks like, and pretty nice and clear. It does have a see-through bottom there, so you guys are able to get your exact. And then you got some more tools here on the right. You got and then this is the other side. This is where the hammer's at. So pretty nice hammer, 22-ounce, nice rubber grips, all metal. Really nice finish on the outside. And then you got the magnetic nail starter there. So pretty nice. You got a 7-in-1 easier cuts. So these are for your electricians. If you're DIY, want to keep up a toolkit in the house, put those in there. And same thing with these, 27-in-1. So lots of bits included in this thing, and they're all included inside that handle. So Milwaukee's doing pretty good on these. All right, and just to keep in mind, these are buy 3 and save 10, buy 5 and save 30. So any of these deals do qualify for that deal. It's up there at the right, right beside the $19.97. Make sure you guys check that out. It's a pretty good deal on that. All right, so $219 for this one. This was a combo. This was a compressor And then you got a nail gun there kit. $99 for the 55-foot green laser level. So a lot of you keep asking for these. More new deals dropped. Yes, they got the buy more, save more now for the pack out. So there's a lot to choose from. I'm just not gonna go over all these, but because there's a whole bunch. But I will go over the ones that they have here at the store. But you buy the $2.99, get $90 off. That's a really good one. You buy the $1.99, you get $50 off. So yeah, if you already got the pack out, the rolling tool case, we'll stock up on the other ones because this is the time. You're probably not gonna see these prices up until next year. So you got the ice chest there for $1.99. You got the 2 drawer, which I have. I really like it. 156. I do have this one as well. So this one's $49.97. You got the XL there for $119. I really like the XL. Fit a lot of stuff in there. And then $227 for the rolling chest. You got a 3 or the 3 drawer pack up for $179. You got the organizer, a deep organizer, $64. You got a shallow organizer there for $44. The thin ones. And then you got a half organizer there, shallow and a regular for $34 and $29. So also pretty good, guys. Mix and match. Make sure you guys do your math online. Or if you do your math in the depot, you can always go back and return the stuff that you do not want. So you can go and go ahead and do that. That's called a hack. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.